How to analyze the line graph. 1. Check how the data is calibrated, meaning where the largest number is and in which sector it is given. 2. Check how many sectors are given. If the numbers and fluctuation are more, you should mention major sectors, and select some major differences only. On the other hand, if the sectors and fluctuation are less, then you should select all data. In this line graph, you have been given 2 different years. The examiner wants to know your writing ability. Means. 1. Can you identify the differences they have set in the 2 years data? 2. Can you identify which major changes are presented in this graph? 3. Can you write some statistical grammar structure? 4. Can you compare male and female data? 5. Can you observe increasing data in some particular sectors? 6. Can you analyze decreasing data in some particular sectors, or remained unchanged data?
The provided line graphs compare the male and female workers in different employment sectors in Fredonia over 20 years of time. As is observed, women were far behind in employment in Fredonia in 1975. Still, they made remarkable progress almost in all sectors and went well ahead of men in communications and wholesale and retail trade sectors especially. First of all, about the women's recruitment figures, which have been showing increasing numbers over a period of 20 years. In particular, the number of employees has increased by 2-folds in communication, 3-folds in finance and banking, and 2-folds in the public sector, defense, compared to the 1975 recorded data. In addition, wholesale and trade, which had recruited slightly below 600, increased to over 800. There was no change recorded in the rest of the sectors, manufacturing and non-public sector, defense. Now, looking at the employment of men, during this period the recruitment of men in the public sector, defense, had decreased slightly, while in the rest of the sectors there was no variability in the figures. To conclude, although women have shown their superiority over men in different sectors, the number of men is relatively higher even after 20 years.